Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm the founder of Teacher Care Crate, and I'm going to show you what comes in the May 2021 Teacher Care Crate. This month's theme is neutral and natural. When you first open up your crate, you'll see this month's info card, and this just tells you everything that comes in the crate as well as where it came from. Next, we have this beautiful full-size notepad. This was a collaboration with Tiff in the middle, and you can see it says do what you can at the top, and then it has graph paper here. This is a great reminder that it's okay to just do what you can. So even though you might use this for your to-do list, you have that reminder right there that it's okay if you don't get to everything today. Next up, we have this adorable bag charm and keychain. It says Teach. This is handmade by It's a Star Baby, and as you can see, it has these really nice silicone beads. Next, we have the always highly requested hand sanitizer. This is White Vetiver hand sanitizer by Apotheke. This is a really nice, sophisticated scent. Next, we have a decor item. We have this wooden beaded tassel, again, keeping with our neutral and natural theme. This is great for putting on your doorknob at home or at school for kind of that boho touch. You can also drape it over something as decor, put it around a candle, hang it on a bulletin board, whatever you want. Next, we have these Hydrating Lip Gels from Patchology, and these are sort of like a face mask, but for your lips. So these will leave your lips smooth and hydrated. Next, we have our 5x7 art print. This was designed by Brittany of the Cutesy class. It says the magic is in you. Great reminder for you or for your students if you want to display it in your classroom. And then of course we have our treat. This month it is a Verb energy bar. The flavor is vanilla latte. Sometimes you just need a little something extra to get you through the end of the day, especially at the end of the year. So that is everything that comes in our neutral and natural crate. So again, you get your Verb energy bar, your Apotheke hand sanitizer, 5x7 art print, Patchology lip gels, wooden beaded tassel, handmade bag charm, 50-page note bag, and of course just your info card. So if you are not already signed up, you'll head to teachercarecrate.com to subscribe by May 14th in order to get the neutral and natural crate as your first box. Thanks for watching.